Connecting the customer to the right solution is important because at the end of the day, you could sell any product to them, but if they're not implementing it and using it in the right way and feeling good about what they're using, then you haven't really succeeded in the overall goal of the customer. And it is important that they feel confident in what they're using in their day-to-day work, because if they feel good about what they're doing, the overall appearance of that facility is going to be better because of that. We work with a property maintenance company, and what this property maintenance company does is they service facilities, all things cleaning, all things maintenance. And we identified this customer as their needs were getting on one solidified uniform, basically program for cleaning the facilities. The reason we want to get them on a standard program is because training and turnover in this industry is a big problem, because you have employees that if the turnover rate is high, you still have these accounts that need to be serviced. So you need to be able to bring in a new employee and have them kind of get implemented right away into that account. And we see issues in this industry with, if you're not on a uniform program, it's a lot harder to be in 40 different places at one time. So if you can explain one case or one process that applies for all 40 locations, it's much easier to implement a new employee or train a new employee on what is expected from them. And so doing this makes me feel like I provided the customer with what they were looking for, and it makes me feel like I'm doing the right thing by the customer. And that's most important in what we're doing in our day-to-day work. We're looking for the needs of the customer, and then how can we answer and fulfill those needs. And when you get a chemical program going for a facility, it makes you feel like you're doing the right thing by the customer and by the facilities themselves.